Watch out, Grampy's in the attic. Usually on my inspection reports, I'll make note as to the attic access dimensions, but I probably won't bother this time. I mean, true, I've got some very large friends. I think anybody could get up here. Now what we're seeing is a lot of debris in the attic space, in the attic insulation from the roof tear off. This is OSB over lath. Used to be a wood shingle roof, and here's half the shingles in the insulation. Okay, not only are they combustible, but the minerals and all this debris short circuits the insulation, makes it unusable. You see all these pillows? Those are trails. And those aren't people trails. Now we do have a death marker over here, so it's showing probably at one time they were probably bragging about, 10 or 12 inches of insulation, but it's been compromised. And we've had silverfish up here eating the paper on the back of that lath. So that's a gable vent. It's got a screen in it. I don't remember seeing a lot of light coming from that. Let's see what we can do here. What happened to Grampy? Oh, he was just wandering around in the attic. Let there be light. Okay. Now see this dead end cable right here? That's going to the old knob and tube wiring. The old knob and tube wiring has been decommissioned. Okay, what I'm seeing is NM. We're going to keep looking. Huh. What's this about? We're going to keep looking. Keep looking. It's hot. We got some hot knob and tube wiring. Hot knob and tube wiring. Man, you just don't want that. Could have gone all day and not seen that. Hot knob and tube wiring, mouse traps, 2 layers of insulation. See the gray in there? So they went and they added this insulation. Now adding it's better. See all that debris over there? Adding is better. All that stuff poking up. Adding is better, but you know what happens? They got different properties. You really don't know what you have in terms of insulation. You really don't know what you have. And then over here, look at that. The insulation is missing. You got rigid duct. That's a good thing. Insulation is missing from the ductwork right there. We'll look at some still images of that. I really didn't. I'll look at a still image of that hot knob and tube. I really didn't want to see that. Okay, you're supposed to have a walkway that goes to the furnace and the water heater. It's not supposed to be more than 30 feet from the entrance. I tell people that I don't walk on this stuff because it could pop the sheetrock down below. Don't have a lot of choice, guys. Don't have a lot of attic ventilation up here either. The purlins are undersized. We expected to see that. That purlin right there is disturbed. We do not have stiffeners. Do not have collar beams. Do not have rafter ties. This is just wrong. How many different ways of wrong this is? Up here trying to... Okay, there used to be an attic fan up here. I don't know, but I think I remember seeing that the ceiling goes up around this area and there's no insulation on it. Oh, man. This is Circus Olay shit, man. And see, everybody's been trying to walk around here, so it's all been beat down. All your insulation, you think that's 10 inches? That's not 10 inches. This is messed up is what it is. Then, not only is it too far away, not only do you have to walk through all this mess, there's some more torn insulation. There's cloth tape. You shouldn't have cloth tape on your ductwork insulation. You come up here, and then it's turned around backwards. You gotta come all the way around here and turn a bat, make a bat turn. There's your surface platform. It's supposed to be 30 inches. You don't have that. There's your water heater, tankless. I don't know what to attack first. I guess I'll go to the water heater and work my way out of here. Okay, anytime you hire a plumber to come work at this water heater, this is what he's going to have to do. Anytime you hire an air conditioning technician to come up here and work on your stuff, this is what you got to do. You know? They're probably going to charge the bejesus out of you for that. Okay, we don't have a safety pan. And according to the City of Dallas and the IRC, you're supposed to have a vacuum breaker, a vacuum breaker on your pressure relief drain line, which we don't know where it terminates to. I'll look for it when I get outside. There's your care and use manual. This is your filter. Gas line does not have a sediment trap. You do not have a service platform in front of this. I know this is short run, but it's supposed to be reinforced. Man, just how many things. Pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. It's gonna make a long report. It's gonna make a long video. There's your water heater, no service platform, no gas sediment trap, no vacuum breaker, no safety pan. And that should be reinforced. That's not such a big deal. It's only like a foot up there. Okay, so your primary is on the other side. So your coils are not aligned with your furnace. Is that what's happening? Really? No care and use manual. Not supposed to have tape on your flue. It's supposed to fit perfectly fine without it. Not supposed to have perforated tape holding up your evaporator coils. You can have it on the plenum, but on the furnace itself, oh, you got, never mind. Okay, I get it. I get carried away. Let's see our service records here. 2019. What? Somebody's worked on this that soon? We do not have a sediment trap for the gas line. We do not have a care and use manual. We don't have sufficient access. That's what's known as a rain bucket. Okay, see all those stains right there. Your flue has a strap. Oh, the strap's broken. Strap's broken. Okay. Well, I guess I gotta go back around. That's rat urine right there. That's some stinky stuff. They gotta go someplace though. I mean, they're inside here. You know, they were getting out of the weather, getting a drink of water off the air conditioner. They had to go. I can't really blame them. They're animals. Okay. Man, I can't even get... Okay, I'm over there. What I'm seeing, I hope you're seeing, that's a primary drain line. I've never seen one come out like that. It's a primary drain line. You can't service the coils because you've got this big box in front of them. Cabinet's all taped up, and the primary drain line does not have a P-trap. It's not insulated. gonna try and get some still images now. I've just about done all the bitching I can do for this one.